Welcome to the personal property tour for 143 Methil Brae in Methil. This is a really spacious 2-bedroom, 2-reception ground floor apartment. So if you are an investor, first time buyer, perhaps you're downsizing and you're looking for one level living, this is a great location. You've got garden area to the front, you've got a lovely rear garden as well. I'm just going to take you on the tour. And this is the property here. So it's ground floor, as I mentioned earlier on. You've got all this garden area to the front. This is a great investment opportunity as well. So we come through the entrance area here. So as we come in, you then head off to the right to the property. And you've got all your garden space to the front here, as you'll see. So really lovely space at the front. And what I was meaning with the off-street parking potential there as well, actually, because you could potentially take some of that wall away, create a bit of a driveway. Obviously you need to explore your permissions, etc. But you've got so much space here, you could easily do that. You've then got your access down here to the rear garden. There's a gate to the right hand side. But I'm just going to take you on the tour. As soon as we come in on this one as well, you'll see that there is really quite a spacious hallway when you come in. The fact that it's ground floor is fantastic if you're looking for one level living as well, isn't it? So we've got the 2 bedrooms here. We've got one straight here on our right. So good sized double. This one overlooks the front. But they're really nice shapes actually, lovely and square, so flexible with how you want to furnish it as well. So a really nice sized room, big windows, lots of light coming in. You've also got inbuilt wardrobe space there as well. And that's bedroom number 1. We're then going to head left into bedroom number 2. Again, another really good sized double. This one overlooks the rear. So as you can see, you have plenty of space. Really good sized apartment. And overlooks the rear. Once we come back into the hallway, you've then onto your left again, and you've got this newly designed bathroom as well. So really like the tiles on this one. You've got your shower, you've got your bath, you've got your wash hand basin and your WC. But again, lots of natural light coming in. And if I just stand here, you can see just the length of the hallway as well. Then from here, we're going to head on into the lounge. And again, nice shape, the lounge. These are large sofas and there's still plenty of space. This one overlooks the front. You've got a nice big window there, so lots of natural light coming in. If I come over here, you can see you've also got some storage and display. You've got the feature fireplace here. But nice room, isn't it? You've then got the double doors, takes us into the kitchen. This property has also been extended. So you've got a slightly larger kitchen. Lots of cabinetry, as you can see. You've got your integrated appliances with your hob and your extractor. And you also have your double oven here as well. Plenty of space for your white goods too, and cabinetry all the way down here. Your sink area down at the bottom with your window. So again, nice and bright. It's a lovely size, isn't it? Lots of storage in this kitchen. And then from here, we're going to head on into the sunroom. This would be a fantastic playroom, home office, extra lounge area. Nice and square. It's all fitted out with your radiators. So again, could be nice and snug in the winter months. But it's a great additional living space, isn't it? And then we've got the double patio doors here that take us straight out into the garden. As soon as we come in, you've got the decked area. And you've got that lovely long garden. You've got some park area over here as well. So you've got green belt behind you, so it's nice and quiet. But just head on down. You've got a feel for just the length of the garden. So much potential with the garden as well. It's a bit of a blank canvas, isn't it? So newly fenced as well, which is great. So that's a good helping hand. And you can see the rear of the property here. You can see the extended part as well. You've got the gate here from the side that brings you in from your pathway. But it really is a nice sized garden. We'll just head on up to the top. And you can see the park area just over here. So again, if you have a young child as well, that's a great safe play area for them as well. Close by to the house. And again, that's the gate that takes you through to the side. So just to recap for you, this is a personal property tour for 143 Methil Brae in Methil. As you've seen, it's a really spacious 2-bedroom ground floor apartment. You've got 2 reception rooms as well. You've got that lovely garden area to the front. Potential there. You'd need to explore that, of course. You could have off-street parking. You've got this great garden area to the rear as well, newly fenced too, so that's a job already done. It's a great investment property. If you're a first-time buyer, maybe you're downsizing, you're looking for one level living, this is a great plot. All of the information, along with the all-important price point, of course, is in this post. You can just click on the link and it'll take you there. But if you are interested, you can also message me here directly. Likewise, if you want to have a chat with the team, you can give them a call on 01333 421 774. This apartment is in a great location. You've got amenities on your doorstep. You've got local facilities up here. You've got a co-op. You've also got Baines. You've got fast food outlets. You've got a real array of little shops up here as well. You're not far from Aberhill Primary School, and you're just maybe 5 or 6 minute drive, you're down to Leven. So you've got the beaches, the promenade, the high street, the swimming pool for the kids, of course, golf if you were a golfer. You've got plenty of courses to choose from. Again, if you're cycling and walking, you've got that new cycling and walking pass as well. You're right on the Fife Coastal Path there, so you've got lots of activities that you can explore. But all importantly, you've also got that recently opened train station. That's taking you directly, commuter-wise, into Edinburgh City Centre. So it's fantastic for that as well. And again, having this additional sunroom, if you're working from home, that's a great additional space, isn't it? As I say, if you're interested, you can message me directly. It's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye-bye.